So let's talk a little bit more about Wi-Fi Quick Connect. I mentioned it when we were talking about our interfaces, but why do you care? And why does your customer care? Well, it's a pretty big deal. A lot of us are used to the fact that our phone dies so much faster when it's connected to Wi-Fi. It's all the chatter that happens on that network. We have a patented technology we call Wi-Fi Quick Connect, and that allows the devices to always work immediately when you go to hit a button and still maintain that battery life. It's kind of a big deal. Think about, you've got a phone call and you need to mute the TV, but you have to wait for the remote to reconnect 10 to 20 seconds. That's not great in function, that's not great in use. Which you have the option in a lot of other remotes to also have it stay connected to the network, but then you only get 3 to 4 hours of battery life. And think about like a Sunday afternoon, you're watching football, you start pregame 11, 12 o'clock, and Sunday night football doesn't end until 11 o'clock. Well, if you get 3 to 4 hours of battery life from the remote, that isn't gonna work too well. The other trick is a lot of people end up leaving remotes sit out on a coffee table for a couple days, not putting them back on the charger. We'll get 3 to 4 days of battery life, but get that immediate functionality. It's a huge deal to your users. It's a lot nicer and easier for them to use, which in turn makes it a big deal to you because it is all about making it easier for the user.